Hi traders, it's Charles here from TradeView and welcome to episode 245 of the Trading Talk series. In this week's episode, I'll be continuing on from the previous crypto build by adding a multi-timeframe trailing stop and the functions to start adding more positions while going with the trend. As we all know, crypto has been very volatile over the past few weeks and trading in these conditions can be challenging without the right tools. For anyone who does not already know, the Trading Talks now have templates which are available inside the builder for you to download instantly. So now anyone from beginner to advanced can start running algos today. If you're not already a client and you'd like to watch episode 245 in full and create the model, just purchase the series by clicking the Learn More button on the top left of this page or in the YouTube description below. I hope you enjoyed this week's episode of Trading Talk, and until next week, all the best with your trading.